The bottled water production process involves several key stages. We begin with preform feeding, where small plastic tubes are fed into the production line. These preforms will be blown into bottles in the next step of the process. Next, we see the blow molding machine in action, using heat and pressure to inflate the preforms into bottles. In the rinsing, filling, and capping unit, the bottles are rinsed with water, filled with high-quality bottled water, and securely capped off. The hot melt glue labeling machine applies labels to the bottles. The film wrapper wraps them in plastic film and cuts the film to the correct size. Finally, the shrink tunnel provides a secure and tight package for transport and distribution. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on ZONESUN. This packaging line begins with the unscrambler, an essential component that arranges containers in an orderly manner. Next up, we have the Z elevator. It elevates materials to the filler, ensuring a smooth and controlled flow into the packaging process. Working in tandem with the Z elevator, we have the vibratory weigh filler. This precision instrument accurately dispenses the desired quantity of product into the containers, ensuring consistent and reliable packaging. Moving along, we come to the bowl feeder and screw capper. The bowl feeder efficiently aligns and supplies caps, while the screw capper secures them firmly onto the containers. This combination ensures a tight seal, maintaining product integrity and preventing leaks. Next, the foil sealer ensures a secure and tamper-evident seal, providing peace of mind for both producers and consumers. Then the cutting-edge laser coater adds vital information to the packaging, ensuring compliance and traceability. The wraparound labeler expertly applies labels onto containers, enhancing brand visibility and product appeal. Finally, the accumulator allows for temporary storage of containers, ensuring a continuous flow of products and minimizing downtime.